palindrome number. This one's an easy problem. Given an integer x, return true. If x is a palindrome, false if it's otherwise. A palindrome is a number which reads the same forward and backwards. So, for example, 121 is a palindrome with 121. But 121 is not a palindrome. So, input x, palindrome, 121 will be the same as 121 backwards, forwards, and backwards. So, we'll get the output of Boolean through this one. It's not because a negative 121 isn't the same as 121 negative backwards, so we get the Boolean false. And this one input 10 isn't the same as 01 palindrome, so we get a false. So how will we do this? This one is easy, super easy. Right? So let's make a string and name it x, string x, str, convert the integer into a string, convert integer value to string, and let's check to return the Boolean value after comparing to string. After comparing string and the sliced. I'll show you what the sliced string is. Sliced string. Okay, return strgx equals to. So this is the comparing sign to get our Boolean value. So strx slice colon -1. So this is our slicing. This one is where the starting value is, the ending value, and this is how much we're going to move by. So a -1 means that we're going backwards, and we don't need to put any input values over here because we're going to do the whole string. So let's run it and see. And yes, it's been able to run. And that's it for this problem. It's an easy one.